Exceptional, it was a trip to remember thanks to them. Amazing Inn by the beach. Loved the stay at Georgianne Inn. Amazing facilities and close to many restaurants. Our suite was a few steps away from the beach. The hospitality was great and overall service is commendable. Definitely will recommend to our friends. Nice and quiet, no crowd, good. Great place to stay. We had a great stay. It is walking distance to the beach. Outdoor heated pool is awesome. Walking distance to multiple restaurants. There is a coin-operated washer and dryer, i.e. our only complaint is the shower is small. The bathroom is large with huge counter, so unsure why you would have such a small shower. We loved having a complete kitchen to cook some of our meals. Staff is very nice and friendly. We would definitely recommend this hotel. Mini vacay. Love the place inside and out, strolling up the drive, seeing the place nestled back in the trees. Short walk to the beach, and very nice and spacious suite. We'll be back for sure. Exceptional, beautiful location for a romantic getaway. Nice, and what a pleasant surprise, clean as a pin, quiet, and a short walk to the beach. Great place mid-island, close to the Tivy Post Theatre and some great restaurants. We will definitely stay here when we are in town. Nice property, wonderful location and very clean. Loved the location and the cleanliness. Had a king-size bed that is definitely in need of being replaced soon, it was extremely lumpy. Old Savannah home vibes. It's not a fancy upscale inn, but if you're the type of person who enjoys feeling like you're in a historic place, it definitely has that. Loved the pool, bed was comfy and bathroom was clean. Great location. Hidden gem. Beautiful historic inn set where South Beach becomes mid-beach. Cute rooms, lovely pool, and fabulous location. Staff is friendly and helpful. It's quiet. No young crowd. Good location. Spend the small premium over the cheap bad idea hotels and come here. No drama. Nobody will keep you up or mess with your car. Walking distance from a taco place and a restaurant. Call Tybee Island Pizza and go pick up an order. Bring charcoal and lighter fluid to eat on the cheap. Stop by a seafood seller or IGA on the way and get your food. Right next to the beach.